Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a very interesting video for you all. Today I'm going to review a website called as Bundle or Joy, which is especially made for toddlers, infants and kids. So as a new parent, every parent worries that which toy to invest in, which book to purchase, what clothes to buy, right? So you need not worry now. This website creates bundles for such things. For there is a bundle for newborn, there is a bundle for 3 to 6 months, there is a bundle for birthday girl, etc. So the bundles are created by some experts and super moms like me. So you can get our bundles on the website. You can simply purchase the bundle. In that bundle there is a combination of different products. जैसे कि अगर हम बर्थडे के बंडल की बात करें तो उसमें क्या होगा, देयर विल बी अ नाइस बर्थडे ड्रेस फॉर योर बॉय और फॉर योर गर्ल. इफ़ यू हैव अ गर्ल तो उसमें नाइस ड्रेस होगा, ब्यूटिफुल एक्सेसरीज होंगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आप उस बंडल को एज इट इज़ भी परचेज कर सकते हो, या फिर अगर आपको बंडल नहीं समझ आता है यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर ओन बंडल एज वेल. सो इट इज़ अ मल्टी ब्रांड वेबसाइट. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं, बड़े रिनाउंड ब्रांड्स हैं जो आपको इस वेबसाइट पर मिल जाएंगे. नेस्टा टॉयज, मॉम एंड कंपनी एंड सेवरल अदर्स. एंड परचेज करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा आसान है वेबसाइट से. इट इज़ सुपर ईजी. आप सिंपली बंडल को क्लिक कर लीजिए एंड यू कैन सिंपली ऑर्डर. इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी तो वहाँ पर व्हाट्सएप का भी डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन आता है. यू कैन सिंपली क्लिक ऑन इट एंड यू कैन क्विकली गेट द सोल्यूशन एंड यू कैन गेट योर बंडल एट होम. So this is my bundle which I received from them. So these are some toys which I got for Agastya. My boy is 11 months old, so I am going to tell you in detail what I got. So sneak peek में आप already देख चुके हो कि मुझे क्या receive हुआ है इस website से. I have received some really amazing toys from them, and I'm going to review these toys in detail, that what is the significance, what is the quality, what was my experience, everything I'll be sharing in this video. So keep watching. And an amazing thing I'm going to tell you, that if you want to purchase anything from the website, or if you want to purchase the bundle which I got for Agastya, then you can get 10% discount from them using the code Agastya10. So if you want to purchase anything from the website, you can simply use my code Agastya10 and avail the 10% offer. So let's get started.
So, flashcard is an excellent investment to stimulate the brain of the babies and can be started as early as 3 months and can extend up to 5, 6 years or 7 years depending upon the content of the flashcards you're using.
Knee, calves, leg, back, stomach, shoulder, tongue, chin, teeth, mouth.
So, this wooden puzzle comes with easy grip knobs with matching pictures underneath, so kids will have a good time in learning about the animals, their shaping, and sorting.
Yes. Yes. Kushu, see the tiger. Tiger. Where is the elephant? Elephant. Where is the giraffe? Giraffe. Now pick up the elephant.
So, this toy provides unlimited playing opportunities and it helps immensely in improving the concentration because the babies will thread their desired combination.
Do it like this. Yay! Yay! So happy shopping and happy parenting.